guys! So I'm just gonna share with you my personal swap with one of my friends, and we have a 9 pocket letter swap. So it's like the artist trading cards, and then you put some of the nitty-gritties details inside of each pocket. And then I also have some trinkets and a mini scrapbook album. So I'm just gonna show it with all of you. So here is my 9-packet letter swap. So what I did was I just made some simple journaling cards where I showcase different techniques of what you can do with your journaling cards. So here I showcased this kind of, I think it's a glossy kind of paint or technique, and then I also stamped in here. This is a textured paste that I included some glittery thingy, and then here stamping, and then this is a fuzzy cut of a sticker and a stamped and die cut of a butterfly, and then this is also a pet washi tape and a washi tape here. These ones are the stamp and punch flowers, and then I also included some stamps in here, and then some butterfly washies, and then this as well. So these are the things that you can actually make to showcase different techniques on, you know, what you can do with your craft materials. So I hope she will like it. And then at the back, you've actually already seen it. So I included a roll of strips of papers that she can use to fuzzy cut. I also included a coffee from Get Caffeinated and a tea. I also included some tags and washi samplers. And some of inside there are stickers and die cuts as well. And then here you can see these are some of the stickers that I included. Here are the stickers that I put in. Most of them are like stickers of different drinks. And then I also included some die cuts and fuzzy cut items. And I also make a handmade this. There you go. And then what else did I make? Yeah, I also make some tags there. So this is the journaling 9-pocket journaling swap. Yeah, that's a 9-packet letter swap. And then I'm gonna show you some of the items that I made for our swap. So I included this washi rolls. This is a glittery one, and it's like a pet glitter washi. So I'm hoping that you can see the design in there. I also included some jute strings with different colors. And then here I made a large paper clip, handmade paper clip that she can use. And here I put in this frame and some of the stickers and our own sticker design. This at the back, this sticker is available in our shop as well. And then I made like a journaling card for her, but it's not showing. At the back where I brushed the sides, and then I included a fuzzy cut washi in there. And then this is the mini album that I made for her. There. So I put in some 3D tapes so that it will be elevated, and these are I think, let me check, stickles. So these are stickles. It just gives a little cuteness on the page, on the book cover. So let's just open this one. Inside, I put in a pocket. And then here in this first pocket, she'll have these ephemeras. And then I put in this card that she can also use. And then this is the first page. You can put in photos in here. This is also a pocket. And inside the pocket, I also make this. There. And then at the back, she can also put some photos in here or details, however she likes it. And then this is a vellum pocket that I stamped. And then I also included an ephemera here. So this is just a blank page where she can put photos or anything that she would like. And then here, this is also a pocket. I included another big tag in here. There. And then here, she can also include small photos there. And then this is another vellum and a blank page that she can use. And then it's another pocket. And voila! There. Then here, she can also put some photos. And this one is just like little extra for notes or whatever that she may like. And then I stamp there. Heart stamps. There you go. So this would be my swap for my friend. I hope that she'll like it. I hope you guys also like it too. There you go. Thank you guys. See you again soon.